Hey guys, Meggie here from the Mediterranean Kitchenette. And today we want to show you our really easy way to make a 100% real, homemade and organic apple cider vinegar at home. So my mom, she's been making this for years now, and we always follow the same formula, which gives you that pure vinegar with the mother. And it is perfect for both drinking purposes, for those of you guys who drink apple cider vinegar for health benefits. And of course, you can use it with all our healthy Mediterranean diet recipes, which you can find on our channel. So let's get started. All right, so we're gonna need 1 kilo of unpeeled and well-washed apples. And guys, you can use any kind of apples you wish. 1 liter of boiled lukewarm water. And 4 tablespoons of sugar. That's it for the ingredients, only 3. And then you're gonna need a large jar of at least 3 liters, a wooden spoon, and then you guys pick whichever suits you, all right? So whichever is easier for you, you can choose either to use a toothpick with some kitchen paper and a rubber band, or a piece of clean cloth that allows the air to pass through, plus a piece of string. All right, so we're gonna pour the sugar into the water and stir it well until it's completely dissolved. And now let's clean the apples, all right? We're gonna cut off only the stem. We're gonna leave the skin and the pits. So cut those apples into medium-sized pieces straight into the jar. And now we pour the water over the apples and mix that with a wooden spoon. And now we cover the jar with a piece of kitchen paper, and using that toothpick, we're gonna make some openings so that the air can pass through. And then we just stabilize it with a rubber band. Or the second way was to simply cover it with a clean cloth and tie it with a string. That's it. We would love to hear from you. Please leave your comments below. Thank you so much, guys, and all the best from Meggie and Eva from Athens, Greece. All right, and now we leave it in a dry and cool place, but not in the refrigerator, all right, guys? And you leave it like that for 20 days. And during those 20 days, you open it and stir it with that wooden spoon once per day. And what we do here, Mom and I, we actually set an alarm clock on our mobile to do this every single day. That's because it's quite easy to forget. And during these days, you will see the sediment forming, okay? And this is exactly what we want. This is the mother, and there will be also foam formed on the surface, and actually you will see that foam every single time you stir it up. And with each passing day, it will have a more and more intense vinegar scent. Okay, just check it out, guys, okay? This is the 19th day for us here. And just see how much sediment and how much foam we have. And finally, it's the last day, day number 20. So let's make sure to prepare a 2-liter pot, a waste ball, a strainer, a funnel, and some empty, clean, and scalded bottles. Okay, so we give it a stir, and guys, we strain it, okay, using that strainer and the wooden spoon, and just throw away any waste pieces into the bowl you have on the side. And now we pour it back into the jar and we leave it for 10 more days. And during these 10 days, you'll need to stir it only 3 times. So here we are after 10 days, and now we're gonna open it and give it a little stir again. And using the funnel, we're gonna pour that liquid into those clean bottles. And guys, that's it, it's ready. And as you see, each one has a different color, right? Depending on what kind of apples we've used. And there is no right or wrong here. So just use whichever types of apples you fancy. And now you should actually store this in the fridge, all right? And it's ready to be used for drinking purposes, for health benefits, or for cooking, of course. And just remember that since the entire process takes a month, once you pour the final product into your bottles, it's time to start the next one, right? So this way you will never ever run out. And guys, we really hope you enjoyed that recipe, and please let us know how it went, all right? And I'm gonna link some of our easy and healthy Blue Zone inspired recipes for you down in the description below. And on our blog, which is called The Bright Side of Life, you can find so many delicious, healthy, and easy Mediterranean diet recipes, so feel free to check it out as well. Thank you so much for being here and for your support. If you fancy, subscribe for more, and thank you so much, guys, and I see you the next time.